If you've ever tried to relax or sleep and felt an uncontrollable urge to move your legs, you may be dealing with restless leg syndrome. It is a common nervous system disorder that can make it hard to sit still, especially at night. Today I'll share practical solutions and insights, including findings from my own experiments which have helped identify the root causes of restless legs and how to find relief. What is restless leg syndrome? Restless leg syndrome is a condition that creates a strong urge to move the legs, often at night when you're trying to rest. This can disrupt sleep and make it hard to relax. Although RLS affects people of all ages, it is most common in middle-aged adults and women. And let me talk about my findings on restless leg syndrome, the root causes. Over the past 2 decades, I've conducted hundreds of experiments on various health challenges, and one of these was restless legs, something I've experienced personally in the past. Through my research and first-hand experience, here's what I found might be causing it. Indigestion of certain foods. Indigestion and food sensitivities can actually trigger RLS. I found that some foods, especially those causing inflammation or digestive upset, seem to be linked to restless legs. Everybody is unique and reacts differently to certain things. The second reason is magnesium and iron deficiency. Magnesium is essential for muscle relaxation, and deficiency can lead to cramps and twitching. Iron also plays a critical role in healthy muscle and nerve function, and low levels are often linked to RLS symptoms. Allergies and sensitivities. Certain allergies can also put pressure on the body and may contribute to RLS symptoms, as I found in several cases. Number 4. Lack of stretching and vitamin D. Regular stretching helps keep muscles relaxed, while vitamin D supports muscle and nerve function. Without this, symptoms can worsen. Number 5. Amino acids like tyrosine. Amino acids, especially tyrosine, are essential for neurotransmitter production, impacting how nerves and muscles communicate. I found that a deficiency in these amino acids might also play a role. And now let's talk about the solutions for relieving RLS symptoms. The first one on the list is magnesium. Magnesium supplements. Adding magnesium to your routine can help with muscle relaxation and reduce twitching. It is a simple way to address one of the common root causes of RLS. Magnesium oil sprays or liquid magnesium. Applying magnesium topically before bed can target leg muscles directly, promoting a calming effect and easing symptoms. This approach is great for immediate relief before sleep. The second one is exercise. Light exercise like walking or gentle yoga can help reduce RLS symptoms, but avoid intense exercise before bed as it may overstimulate the muscles. Relaxation techniques. Taking a warm bath, massaging the legs, or using a heating pad or cold compress can provide immediate relief. Lifestyle adjustments. Avoid caffeine, nicotine, and alcohol, especially in the evening, as they can make RLS symptoms worse. Establish a regular sleep routine like turning off screens an hour before bed. Number 5. Nutritional support. Ensure you're getting enough iron and vitamin D through foods or supplements, as both are essential for nerve and muscle health. Including tyrosine-rich foods like eggs, poultry, and cheese can support neurotransmitter balance, which may help with RLS symptoms. Number 6. Distraction techniques. Sometimes reading or watching something calming can help take the mind off the uncomfortable sensation in the legs. Medical guidance. If symptoms persist, consulting a doctor for possible medications or additional support is a good option, especially if lifestyle changes and natural remedies aren't providing enough relief. Restless leg syndrome can be frustrating, but a few targeted adjustments can make a world of difference. With some simple lifestyle tweaks, nutritional support, and effective tools like magnesium oil, you may find the relief you've been looking for. Remember, RLS doesn't have to control your nights. Start with these changes and rest easy knowing you're on the right path to relief. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.